Working for yourself can be so hard, and you are only going to grow so much doing everything as a solopreneur. In this video, I'm going to share 3 things you can outsource to grow your business while also living a life you love. Hi friends, I'm Caitlin Workman, and I'm here to empower you and encourage you on your photography journey. I'm excited to share these 3 things that we outsource that aren't just editing. I wanted to share some ideas besides editing because I think whenever photographers are struggling, editing is always the first thing mentioned, and sometimes it's the only option mentioned. And this might be an unpopular opinion, but I like editing. I would much rather blast a Taylor Swift album and edit my heart out than go to the grocery store or write blog posts.
Okay.
So this year, instead of using a private editor, we switched to Imagine AI. I have a whole video on how we use it, but I'm saving a ton of money that I can use for other things, and honestly, editing just as fast as I would when I needed to do anchor images and then tweak from an editor once I got it back. If you are struggling with editing, you can first grab our import preset in the comments. It is not a one-click edit, but it will get you started, and I have a whole video showing you how to do that too. The first thing we outsource is grocery shopping. This sounds so simple, but honestly, think about the amount of hours that you spend at the grocery store wandering up and down aisles when you could be going to the park with your kids or working on growing your business.
Awesome. Yes! I am back!
We use Walmart Plus Delivery, order groceries once a week, takes less than half an hour to meal plan, make sure everything's in our cart, make sure we're inside of our budget, and then they deliver it right to our porch. Even though this seems like a little thing, it gives us hours back each month, and it's such an affordable thing to outsource when you're getting started. The second thing we outsource is virtual assistant work. We started working with a VA this year, and she does everything from making graphics to setting up email funnels to writing blog posts for us.
Wow.
When she's able to do the tedious, busy work, it frees me up to do the creative things that only I can do and the things that I love doing. The third thing we outsource is content creation with a wedding day assistant. I would definitely consider this a big part of our marketing budget. It can be so hard to remember to get behind the scenes moments on a wedding day while also remembering everything else and serving your clients well. And about 2 years ago, we hired a wedding day assistant, and a big part of his job is creating that behind the scenes content for us. I think that's why we still get so many inquiries through Instagram. There are so many people with curated feeds, but having a way for couples to see what the whole wedding experience is like is so important. Hiring an assistant is such an easy way to outsource that, which will lead to more bookings. If you are interested in a coaching session with me, click the link below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be cheering you on.